a little trick. When you're doing this, I use lines, not buckets. So what I normally do is, depending on the kind of coping,
What are we doing?
we're putting in a safety cover.
Okay.
We don't have no schematics, nothing. We have one. So we had to measure everything from scratch. We'll show you later on how we did that. But for right now, the general basics of putting in a pool cover without no buckets or no assistance is you want to set some lines up around the whole perimeter. So every anchor will be exactly the same. So what I do is, depending on the coping, I have certain measurements that I accrued over the years of doing it. So for copings like this that are overhangs, you want to give it about anywhere between 33 and 34 inches. It may not be exactly 33 just because the edges are so jagged, but when you find a happy number, you're always going to look between 33 and 32 inches if the coping overhangs. Now, if the coping doesn't overhang, you're going to go straight 32 inches the whole way around. That will give you the perfect amount of stretch on your springs, enough that it's not pulled together all the way, enough to hold it down to schematics. So that's the purpose of all the lines around the pool. And those are the numbers, the key numbers you're going to use no matter what rectangle you do.
Okay.
So that's basically that.
That's basically that. So what's
Yeah.
the next step?
So the next step now, I need to find a center point because of the measurements of it. We have a center strap.
Okay.
So to find the center point, I do measurements. And with my measurements, what I do is I come down here. So this is a great pool to do it on because this is a little bit different than the other ones. So the edge over there, we're going to do a little trick. So I'm going to show you the difference between a full square and when you have something like that. So what I want to do here is I want to take this, I'm going to put it at that line. We're going to bring it all the way over here. And we're going to put it down. And we're going to do our number. So this is 259.5. As you can see, roughly.
It's hard to see the chalk on camera, but it's there, 259.5.
We do some math. 259.5 divided by 2. Oops. 129.75.
29 3/4.
And that is our center point. I'll go get tape.
You should just go live. You want to go live doing this?
Yeah, do it, bro. I'm down with it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right. We're going to go live.
do it.